In the darkest of days, in the age of deception, released on the masses, comes the death of Alright, you guys, this is a quick follow-up to the Fender FR12 unboxing. I'm just going to go through what it sounds like real quick on the different channels with my GX100. If you have any, if you need to know anything about like the knobs, the inputs and stuff like that, just go watch the unboxing video. But this is for you guys that wanted to hear what it sounds like. Here we go. This is kind of my crunch, just rock and roll setting. Kind of a clean setting. My basic clean sound. Whatever clean stuff we're doing. And then just for the fun of it, I set up this one that's like a clean plus a shimmer, kind of a tremolo effect. It's like some basic sounds out of the GX100. You know, this time I'm using the built-in amps in the GX100. This FR12 doesn't color the sound at all. For reference, I've got the volume on the FR12 set to about 6, although this thing goes to 12, you guys. It goes to 12, not 10. And but you know, it's just a little over, about 1 o'clock on the volume. So there's still room to go for that. I've got my volume on the GX100 set to just below halfway. It's pretty loud. I did bring it up here a couple of days ago and played the first half of practice with my normal rig, my EVH. You can go watch that video if you want. And then after break, I switched to this FR12, and it held up. I was able to hear it just fine over the drummer, the guitar player, bass. Sounded pretty good. So, you know, the thing with me is I'm old, hence the old man metal channel. And my back doesn't really agree with lugging all this stuff around anymore. Even though I really, really love this rig, this would be very portable and very easy to move around. So, but that's it for today. Just want to give you guys a little taste of how it sounds. If you want any more information on it, just let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time on the Old Man Metal Channel.